everybody, welcome back to Better with Brigetta. Today we're going to make French dip sliders, and this is what you're going to need. A pack of 12 King's Hawaiian rolls, Au Jus Gravy, Pam cooking spray, onion powder, minced garlic, Worcestershire sauce, crispy onions, butter, Provolone cheese, and the star of the show, roast beef. Our first step is to spray our 9x13 pan. And then we're going to cut our bread right down the middle. We're going to put the top part aside, and we're going to put our bottom right in the middle. Our next step is to put half of our cheese on top of our rolls. We're going to spread those out. They can overlap. We need one more piece. There we go. And we're going to put our roast beef on. Yes, the best part. Spread that out. We like roast beef, so this is a lot. You can use less. And even if you don't want to use provolone cheese, you can use a different cheese. You make it to how you like it. And you can tell we like roast beef because there's a lot of it. A little hang off the end. All right. Now the onions, spread those around. All right, now the last of our cheese on top. Push it down a little bit. And then we put the top of our rolls back on. All right, let's melt the butter in the microwave. Here's our melted butter. We're gonna add our Au Jus seasoning. That's 1 tablespoon. Our Worcestershire sauce. That's 1 teaspoon. Our onion powder and our minced garlic. Combine that all together. Our next step is to pour this over our rolls. Make sure mixture is all set. Yep, keep whisking it. And now it's ready. We're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees, uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes. Dora, what are you doing, girl? Bye. Our last step is to make our au jus, which we're going to use for dipping. And we're going to use the rest of our packet and 3 cups of water and heat it on the stove.
roast beef, cheese, onions, some au jus for dipping.
I think we're gonna need that napkin.
Oh man, that is good. I love these on these King Hawaiian rolls. They're got a nice sweet flavor to them. You guys gonna sit here and watch us eat all night?